Here's the 1961 Singer 328K. It's in really good condition, and we're going to kind of go through some of the features of it here today. So, first thing we're going to do is wind the bobbin. The bobbin's empty, so it's class 66 bobbin, and this is an old style bobbin. This is what you want to use, nice and smooth. And there's a newer 66 bobbin that was in here, and they're kind of stamped and they have a little ridge, and that's kind of why the machine was thought to not work. So, but it was fine. So just put the bobbin up here, get some thread, goes through the tensioner. Might be easier to get it. There we go. Goes through that hole that is provided. There we go. And then that goes down there. And turn this, that disengages the machine from the actual. Now we're going to put the bobbin in, and thread goes counterclockwise. Make sure you have your little, I'll just trim this off. This is a little piece from the, okay, and so it goes counterclockwise. This goes in right there, underneath that little tab, and straight out. There we go. And then pull a little thread out there. There's a little crack there. And re-engage your clutch wheel, and then like that. And there it is. Ready to sew. So we're ready to do some sewing here. I'm going to take some canvas. I've done some stitches already with the, these are some of the decorative cams that are up here. You can see that right there. You can just unscrew that and put in, I think I have 8 other cams for this. So we will sew some of this canvas here. Put her down. Got a brand new belt, so that was one of the problems. They said it was not, you had to hand start it, but with a new belt, she really sews good. I'm doing a little zigzag here. So here's your zigzag stitch. This also has a left and right homing, so it'll move the needle left, center, or right. And we'll just go right over this canvas strap there. It's a pretty powerful machine, so it will go through some pretty good stuff. I've never sewed leather with it or anything, but yeah, this is a pretty thick piece there. We'll do a straight stitch. Here's your stitch width selector. Over here is your stitches per inch, reverse 6 inches, so we'll kind of do a little bit of that. So coming to the end of your stitch, you want to lock it, reverse it, you lock the stitch in, just like that. Oh. And yeah, pretty nice looking stitch. It has 2 tensioning slots in there, so that you can put another spool here, run it down, and put 2 needles in there, and you can do double needle stitching with it. This is the box of accessories for the 328K. Here's the manual. It's got this cool little screwdriver, Singer, little Singer brushes for cleaning it. Here's the old belt. I just threw it in there. And the bad aftermarket bobbin that came with it. I just threw it in there because it came with it. And there's 8 other decorative cams that go in there. And you just unscrew that, pop them in. Pretty simple. The zigzag #1 cam comes with that. Also, there's a ruffler, some hammer, a straight stitch foot, and also a straight stitch needle plate in there. So pretty much everything that would come with this is here. It's kind of like going back to 1961 and opening the box, and there she is. So yeah, this is a 1961 328K made in St. John's, Quebec, Canada. So it's a Canadian-made machine. So she should be used to sewing in cold weather. But yeah, real nice machine. It has a regular light, not a lot of these machines. I'll replace the light with a LED light because they don't get hot. But this is the original light and everything, so I just left it in there. Yeah, that's about it.